Morning students. Today we will study about early history of computer. In previous video you study about characteristics of computer, and now in this video we will study about history of computer. So let's start. There are numerous instances of inventions in the field of calculating or computing devices which gave birth to computer of the present day. Now we will study about abacus. Nearly 3000 years ago, the rise of computer begins with a calculating device, that is abacus, designed by Chinese, which allows user to perform computations using a system of sliding beads arranged on a bamboo rack. That means picture given here, students just see bamboo rack, that is बांस जो का स्टिक होता है, बांस का स्टिक होता है या जो रॉड होता है उसमें जो है माला पिरोया जाता है, उसी से जो है पहले कैलकुलेटिंग किया जाता था। उसको क्या बोलते थे पहले? अबेकस। Napier's bones in 1617 AD, Sir John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, developed the Napier's bones, a calculating device. Which is a calculating device? That is Napier's bones is a calculating device. And who invented the Napier's bones calculating device? That is Sir John Napier, a Scottish mathematician. This device consisted of a set of 12 rectangular rods divided into 10 squares. Just given here in the picture, just see here, this is Napier's bones. 12 rectangular rods divided into 10 squares. Pascaline. In 1642, a French mathematician, Blaise Pascal, invented Pascaline. Who invented the Pascaline? Blaise Pascal. It consisted of 8 movable wheels fixed on a rectangular brass box used for subtraction and multiplications up to 8 figures long. What is the use of Pascaline? Pascaline is used for subtraction and multiplication up to 8 figures long. And Pascaline consisted of 8 movable wheels fixed on a rectangular brass box and used for subtraction and multiplication up to 8 figures long. Next given here, mechanical multiplier. In 1694, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz, a German mathematician, improved the Pascaline. It was Leibniz, a mechanical multiplier that worked by a system of gears and dials. The device was designed to do all 4 whole number operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So mechanical multiplier, it was Leibniz mechanical multiplier that worked by a system of gears and dials. This device was designed to do all 4 whole number operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And this is the form of improved the Pascaline, and that improved form of Pascaline is Leibniz mechanical multiplier, that is given here. After Pascaline, mechanical multiplier, it is given here in this picture. Arithmeter. From 1752 to 1834, Charles Xavier, a Frenchman, invented arithmeter. Who invented the arithmeter? Charles Xavier. When? 1752 to 1834. That could perform the 4 basic mathematical functions. Which one? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. widely used until World War I. It is very important, student, underline its line. Arithmeter is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and it is widely used until World War I. Which one? That is arithmeter. Jacquard's loom. In 1820, Joseph Jacquard developed Jacquard's loom, which revolutionized the textile industry. The loom used a series of punch cards to specify the use of specific colored thread and thereby dictate the design that was woven into the cloth. Just here showing in this picture, this is Jacquard's loom. Who developed it? Joseph Jacquard. Next given here, difference engine. From 1834 onward, an English and mathematics British computing pioneer Charles Babbage invented a counting machine, difference engine. That is difference engine. This engine outlined the basic elements of a modern general purpose computer. And difference engine, who invented the difference engine? Charles Babbage. An analytical engine. In 1842, Babbage started working on the first general purpose computer, that is analytical engine. Very important it is. Who invented the analytical engine? That is Charles Babbage. It would have a memory with a capacity of 1000 number up to 50 decimal digits long. Fact 5. For his contribution, Babbage is often known as father of computer science. For his contribution, who's? Charles Babbage. Babbage is often known as father of computer science. Who is known as father of computer science? Charles Babbage. Electromechanical tabulator. In 1889, an American inventor, Herman Hollerith, invented the first electromechanical tabulator which read information from a punch card. Each punch on a card represented one number, and combinations of two punches represented later as many as 80 variables could be stored on a single card. Electromechanical tabulators. Who invented this? Herman Hollerith invented the first electromechanical tabulator. This is showing here. This is Herman Hollerith, and these machines are electromechanical tabulator. Etanos of Barry. In between 1939 and 1942, the first fully electronic digital computer, the Etanos of Barry computer. Underline 8 sentences, students. What is given here? Etanos of Barry, the first fully electronic digital computer. What is that? That is the Etanos of Barry computer. What is the full form of ABC? The Etanos of Barry computer is the full form of ABC. Was developed by John Atanasoff and Clifford Barry. Atanasoff Barry computer is a electronic digital computer, and it was developed by John Atanasoff and Clifford Barry. Turing machine. Second given here, Turing machine. Alan M. Turing, another British mathematician, invented Turing machine, laying the foundation for major area of computing theory. It reads the series of first and zeros, interpreting them to perform an ordered and repeated sequence of steps. The most prestigious award given in the computer science, that is Turing Award, named after Alan. It is very important. The most prestigious award given in the computer science, that is Turing Award, named after Alan. Mechanical tabulating machine. In 1946, the first computer mechanical tabulating machine designed for data processing was developed by Dr. Hermann Hollerith. It was an electrically operated tabulating machine. Which one? Mechanical tabulating machine, and it was developed by Dr. Hermann Hollerith. Here showing picture of mechanical tabulating machine. In 1944, Mark I was developed by Howard H. Aiken in collaboration with IBM engineer. IBM International Business Machine engineers. It was the first programmable digital computer to be made in the US. The ENIAC means, what is the full form of ENIAC? Electronic, Numerical, Integrated and Computer, was designed by John Presper Eckert and John W. Mauchly, and ADVAC was designed by John on Newman in 1945. It is showing here the picture of Mark I, and it is ENIAC. This is the developing stage of a computer. Here ADVAC in ENIAC 1 in 1951, the first commercially available computer, ENIAC 1, developed by John Mauchly and Presper Eckert, was the first computer used to predict the outcome of a presidential election. Okay student, ENIAC 1 developed by John Mauchly and Presper Eckert was the first computer used to predict the outcome of a presidential election. Okay student, it is also very important. So it is the history of computer. Now in third video, okay student, third video we will study of generation of computer. So you also read about it, and next video we will discuss about this generations of computer.